Hey guys, have you ever run into a situation where you had a spinning, stripped, or bent screw? Super frustrating to get out, right, and to deal with. Here's a couple ways that I use dealing with them. If the screw itself is spinning, I try to get the screw started by applying pressure on the screw head and then put a little pressure on the threads or the shank of the screw. And what I mean by that is I use a pry bar or a utility blade and I try to get under the screw head and apply pressure to that shank. And then once the screw starts to spin, if I can get under it and push up a little bit, as long as I can get that pry bar or utility blade into the threads, it creates enough friction to actually facilitate backing out that screw. Now, if the screw is embedded and stripped, sometimes the best thing you gotta do is use a screw extractor, which is a specialized tool. If the screw is protruding, you can see it, and the head is broken off or the screw is bent, my favorite trick is to basically just take a drill, cordless drill, chuck the drill over the exposed shank, and then slowly back the screw out in reverse. It's an easy trick. It's something someone showed me a long time ago, and I still use it today. Hope that helps, guys. Take care.